Today in this video we will learn about how to reset your WordPress WP admin password via PHPmyAdmin. For that, log into cPanel and then go to PHPmyAdmin. Now here in WordPress database, go to WP_user. Make sure you enter into the correct database. Now click on edit icon. Now from here, enter your desired password and then select MD5 from the drop-down menu. Now click on Go button. In this way, your password will be updated successfully. Now go to your WordPress dashboard login, that is WP-admin. Now here, if you enter your new password, you will be logged in successfully.